Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you finally ready to jump into the amazing world of 3D printing but feeling totally overwhelmed by all the choices out there? Good news! You've come to the right place. Today we're cutting through the noise to bring you my picks for the 5 absolute best 3D printers for beginners in 2025. These machines are user-friendly, reliable, and won't break the bank. Let's dive in. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This printer is consistently praised as one of the best for beginners. It's compact, fast, and features fully automatic calibration, making it incredibly user-friendly. It also has an optional AMS, automatic material system, for multicolor printing, which can be a fun upgrade down the line. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. A fantastic budget-friendly option, the Ender 3 V3 SE offers an excellent entry point into 3D printing. Despite its low price, it includes features like automatic bed leveling and a direct drive extruder, making for a smooth printing experience. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. This FDM, fused deposition modeling printer from Elegoo, is known for its speed and performance at a competitive price. It comes with Clipper firmware pre-installed, offering advanced control and faster printing speeds. Its sturdy design and direct drive extruder contribute to precise prints. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is a solid choice for beginners looking for a balance of speed and quality. It's easy to assemble and use, offers a decent build volume, and produces high-quality prints. Its mobile app control is also a nice touch for convenience. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. While relatively new, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is quickly gaining recognition as a great beginner printer, especially if you're interested in multicolor printing from the start. It boasts high-speed performance and automatic bed leveling, simplifying the printing process. When choosing, consider what kind of projects you want to tackle and your budget. All of these printers offer a great starting point for anyone looking to dive into the world of 3D printing. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Hello, innovators, dreamers, and future makers. Are you ready to step into a world where your imagination takes tangible form, but without the steep learning curve? It's time to introduce you to the ultimate gateway to 3D printing success, the Creality Ender 3 V3C. Meet the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, your new best friend in the world of 3D printing. Effortless printing. Say goodbye to tricky setups. With auto leveling and auto filament loading, it's practically plug and play. Seriously, you'll be printing in under 20 minutes. Prints like a pro. Its Sprite direct extruder handles all your favorite materials, from PLA to flexible TPU, with ease. Plus, that rigid dual Z-axis means super stable, super precise prints every time. Speedy and sleek. Get your creations faster with speeds up to 250 mm. And let's be honest, it looks pretty sharp on your desk too. The Ender 3 V3 SE is designed for you, the beginner who wants big results without the headache. Forget fiddling with knobs and endless calibrations. This beauty features fully automatic CR touch leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. What does that mean for you? You spend less time adjusting and more time creating. From unboxing to your first incredible print, you'll be up and running in under 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. It's practically plug-and-play perfection. With its compact, elegant design, the Ender 3 V3 SE looks fantastic in any space. The user-friendly interface features clear motion graphics, guiding you through every step of the printing process. It's not just a tool, it's an experience. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4. Pro first up. Let's talk about the headline feature. Speed. The Neptune 4 Pro boasts a mind-blowing 500 ms maximum printing speed. Think about that for a second. Your ideas, your designs, your prototypes coming to life faster than ever before. This isn't just about raw speed, though, it's smart speed. With Clipper firmware pre-installed, you get advanced features like input shaping and pressure advance, ensuring those lightning-fast prints still have incredibly smooth surfaces and crisp details. No more wobbly walls or ringing. Instead of heating the entire bed for a small print, it can intelligently heat only the necessary zones, saving energy and ensuring more consistent temperature control. We've got 121 points of auto bed leveling. This means you spend less time fiddling and more time printing, with exceptional first layers guaranteed. This printer isn't just fast. It's incredibly versatile. With a high-temperature nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees C, the Neptune 4 Pro opens up a huge world of filament possibilities. We're talking not just your standard PLA and PETG, but also more demanding materials like ABS, ASA, nylon, and TPU. The updated hot end design ensures full filament melting for smooth extrusion across all these materials. It's designed for quiet operation, under 50 dB, so it won't be a nuisance in your workspace. Plus, those dual-sided build plates give you excellent adhesion during printing and super easy print removal afterward. And let's not forget the peace of mind with power failure recovery and filament runout detection. No more wasted prints. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra. For too long, vibrant, multicolor 3D prints felt like a distant dream for many of us. But Anycubic is here to change that, bringing advanced features and, yes, multiple colors to an accessible platform. The Kobra 3 Combo isn't just a printer, it's a complete ecosystem designed to unleash your creativity. Right out of the box, you're ready for 4-color printing, thanks to the integrated Anycubic Color Engine Pro. This isn't just about plugging in different spools. The Ace Pro intelligently manages your filament, ensuring smooth transitions and preventing tangles. It even syncs with Anycubic's RFID-enabled filaments for automatic recognition of color and material. And get this, soon with the Anycubic Color Engine Hub, you'll be able to expand that to an astonishing 8 colors. Imagine the possibilities. The Ace Pro also offers automatic filament loading and backup, sealed storage to keep your filaments dry, and even filament drying to maintain optimal print quality. This means fewer failed prints and more vibrant successes. Now let's talk about performance. The Kobra 3 isn't just pretty, it's a powerhouse. It boasts a phenomenal max print speed of 600 mm. That means your designs go from screen to physical object incredibly fast. And speed doesn't mean sacrificing quality. With vibration, compensation, and precise filament extrusion control, your prints will have smoother surfaces and better detail. It also has a hot end capable of reaching 300 degrees C, opening up a wider range of high-performance filaments beyond just PLA and PETG. Perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants a hassle-free experience, Anycubic has packed in some fantastic features. Number 1. AnkerMake M5C. We're diving into the world of high-speed 3D printing, but with a twist. I'm seriously impressed with the AnkerMake M5C. It delivers on its promise of fast, high-quality 3D printing with a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a beginner looking for a capable and easy-to-use printer or an experienced maker wanting to speed up your workflow without sacrificing detail, the M5C is definitely worth considering. We're not sacrificing quality to get there. I'm talking about the brand new AnkerMake M5C. This printer promises to be a game-changer for both beginners and seasoned makers. The AnkerMake M5C has a clean and integrated design. It feels solid and well-built. Setup was surprisingly straightforward. No complicated assembly required, which is a huge plus, especially for newcomers to 3D printing. We've got the print bed here with a PEI flexible magnetic plate, more on why that's awesome later, and a look at the print head. Now let's talk about the headline feature, speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts printing speeds of up to a whopping 500 ms. That's seriously fast, folks. But the real magic here is that it doesn't compromise on quality. Thanks to AnkerMake's Power Boost 2.0 technology and the Ultra Direct Extruder, you're getting prints with a 0.1 millimeter layer height even at these incredible speeds. We're talking about creating quality models in significantly less time. Just look at this print done in a fraction of the time I'm used to, and the details are still sharp. Another fantastic aspect of the M5C is its connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can control everything right from the AnkerMake app on your phone. This is super convenient. You can start and stop prints, monitor their progress remotely, and even transfer your sliced models directly to the printer. The app itself is very user-friendly, with a clean interface that's easy to navigate whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Or those intricate prints where every detail matters, the AnkerMake M5C has a fantastic precision mode. When using a 0.2 mm nozzle, this mode supports an incredible 50 mm resolution. That's next-level detail. The printer utilizes advanced algorithms to optimize these finer prints, making the process faster and more efficient than traditional high-resolution printing. Just look at the difference in the surface finish on this miniature.